Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get free wallpapers with AI Select on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with AI Select on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can go ahead and navigate to the web browser and you can browse for any wallpapers and apply it to your home screen. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Google Chrome. We'll go ahead and navigate to pixel.com. Here we're going to go ahead and search for backgrounds. So go ahead and choose your background. So let's just say I want an orange background. I'll search for that. And now just go ahead and navigate through these backgrounds and choose the one that you like. So for example, let's say this one here. So in order to make this as a wallpaper, I can go ahead and tap on free download and go ahead and download this picture. And I can go ahead and make this into a wallpaper. So using AI Select, turn on AI Select, select it, tap on the three dots and then tap on set as wallpaper. Now I can go ahead and tap on next, tap on done. And now my wallpaper has been set with AI Select. So you can do the same thing on TikTok or Instagram. You can go ahead and search for any wallpapers. So let's just say 4K live wallpaper. Go ahead and select any wallpaper. So for example, this one, long press on this, clear the overlay, and then go ahead and turn on AI Select. Select the area you want that as a wallpaper, tap on the three dots and then tap on set as wallpaper. Tap on next and then tap on done. Tap on skip and there you go. So as you can see, this is a unique way of getting wallpapers on your Samsung S25 Ultra. You can just go ahead and use AI Select and basically there's no cost or no ads. So you get beautiful backgrounds always. So there you go guys, that is how to get free wallpapers with AI Select on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.